Free traffic website number 2 for affiliate marketing is leadsleap.com. Now, I won't go into super detail about Leadsleap because I've already done tons of videos about this platform. Plus, I've also created a course, so if you log in and create your account and you feel a little bit overwhelmed, I'm giving away a free course about Leadsleap that will help you get started making money with this platform in lightning speed. And like I said, this course is 100% free. But like all the previous websites I named, you can get started with Leadsleap for 100% free. They do have a free forever program that you can stay free as long as you want. But of course, if you upgrade, you're going to get access to a lot more things. Now, Leadsleap is a traffic exchange website to where you can earn credit so that you can post your own ads on this platform for free. All you will have to do when you create your account is go up under advertising and click on post credit ads for absolutely free. And it's going to bring you to a page just like this. And all you will have to do is just click on add new ad and start creating your ad for absolutely free. Now, in order to earn the credits, because you need at least 10 credits to post free ads, you're going to have to view other people's website. And to do that, it's real simple. All you have to do is click on any ad on the platform and it's going to open up a window just like this. And then you're going to start seeing ads. Now, if you notice on the very bottom to the left-hand corner, you're going to start seeing you're getting credits for those clicks and earning credits. Once you have at least 10, then you'll be able to post your ad for absolutely free. Now, with the free version, you can only post up to 3 ads, but with the pro version, you can post up to 10. Also, with the pro version, you're going to have 10 additional ads that you can post. Now, for the pro version, you don't have to earn credits to post those ads. But if you upgrade and become a pro member, you'll be able to have 20 ads that are running live at any given time. And again, with the post pro ads, you don't have to surf Leadsleap to earn credits for your ads to run.